In today's class, we will be learning the topic, setting out. Anybody wishing to construct a building usually first consult an architect on the need for a building and the type of building wanted. An architectural design is sent to the structural engineer, who determines and specifies the strength and type of building material to be used. The quantity surveyor studies the working drawing of the proposed building, determines the cost of materials, labor and workmanship. The following tools are used for setting out. Steel rule. Builder's square. Theodolite. When the concrete footing for the foundation has been cast and cured, lines for the thickness of the wall are run and plumbed down to the concrete footing and the first course of the concrete block wall is laid. Excavation. When the foundation plan for a building has been transferred onto the site, by way of setting out, excavation begins. For very big structures like a stadium or a multi-story building, the trenches for the column foundation or wall foundation can be mechanically excavated. Holes are mechanically bored where board-piled foundation has been recommended. Timbering. This is the process of supporting the walls of the excavated pit with timber, for the purpose of safety. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.